Hello students, today we are here to discuss the most important topic, that is notice writing. In notice writing, we will discuss the meaning of the notice, then format of the notice and the various examples of the notice. Notice is a mean of communication to convey a message to a number of people in a short span of time. Format. While writing the format of a notice, first of all, you should write name of the organization. Then notice. Third point is topic of the notice. Fourth, date. Then body of the notice. Body of the notice. And the last point is issuing authority. After that, you have to put a boundary. This is the format. Now we will discuss examples of the notice writing. First is the example of blood donation camp. Suppose Red Cross Society is going to organize a blood donation camp and you have to write a notice. First of all, write down Red Cross Society. Then notice blood donation camp May 15, 2020. Red Cross Society is going to organize a blood donation camp. Blood donation camp on May 25th, 2020. The timings are from 9 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. All of you are requested to take part in this noble cause. Secretary, Red Cross Society. About this designation, you have to sign it and then put all this material in a block. Now the second example, that example is related to lost and found. Suppose you lost your book somewhere in the school campus and you have to write down a notice. First of all, name of organization, ABC school, then the name of the city. Notice, lost and found. Date, I lost my book somewhere in the school campus. The finder is requested reminder is requested to return it to me. In room number 25. A cash reward is promised. The name and class, and put all this material and the block. Now the third example, that you found a book somewhere in the school campus. ABC school. Notice lost and found. Date. I found a book during the lunch time. The owner is, the owner can take it. The owner can take it from school office by giving the suitable description of the book. Clerk, sign, then ABC school. Put all this material in a rectangular box. Thank you, and we assure you that we will provide you the knowledge on the various topics in our next video.